Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Super Duolingo for free in 2025. I will be just tap on it for my Duolingo app and make sure you will have logged in. And here you will see in the top right corner of hard option, and I will be just getting 5, and I want to just this hard for unlimited, and I will just tap on a free trial and let's see. So there's a super learner are 4.2x more likely to finish the French course. So unlimited hearts, no ads, speaking and listening, practice on demand, mistakes review to target your weak areas. So you will just tap on it, try super for 0, and I will just tap on it. So this is you will see. So progress faster in your French course with super. So learning content, unlimited hearts. So but right now there is no in a free version, but when I just tap on start my week, so here you will see I will just easy to cancel, no penalties or no fees, and you will get a push notification on February 23. So we will remind you 2 days before your trial ends. So if I just tap on it, so right over here you will see this is the family plan in this price. So this is the individual for 12 months. So you will just select your plan, and when you just purchase the plan you will get the super and premium unlimited hearts on Duolingo in 2025. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.